Palworld, the enchanting world of virtual companions and strategic gameplay, occasionally throws players a curveball with pals not working as expected. Fear not, fellow gamers, as we explore effective solution to troubleshoot and rectify these issues for an uninterrupted Palworld experience. Use force assignments to optimize PAL tasks. Pick up a PAL, throw them at a designated area, and ensure they have the corresponding traits. This strategy can persist even after sleeping. Maintain a continuous food queue and direct flame bell to it. Confirm she has the cooking icon or crafting hands. Regularly collect queued items to keep her focused on cooking and prevent distractions. Assign water pals with only the water can to be berry plots. This ensures they exclusively focus on watering tasks, enhancing resources management efficiency. Opt for resource-rich pals like the bee and little Egyptian cat for your ranch. Their contributions, such as honey and gold, can significantly elevate your virtual heaven's productivity. Assign specific pals like Gumos for planting and Serpent for watering. Specialization streamline tasks, allowing each pal to excel in their designated roles. By implementing these strategic fixes, you can overcome Palworld Pals hiccups and elevate your gaming adventure. Unleash the full potential of your virtual companions and embrace a seamless Palworld experience. Thank you for watching.
Quit to title, then choose your world and go to game settings and set a custom difficulty. Change the number of ground items to a very low number like 20. Reload the map. This seemed to fix it for me, and everyone is working as they should be again. I think this basically deleted all the crap at the bottom of the river that was causing problems.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.